Okay, YouTubers, I saw this on the internet and I've just recently had this issue. All you have to do to fix a chair, it's a cheap chair like this, I don't know where it comes from, but these cushions keep coming off. The screws keep just like falling out of them. So what you can do is take some toothpicks, a drill bit, you're like my little hammer, and take your drill out the holes that are in here. I've already replaced these 3. I've already put toothpicks inside of them like this. And you just put a toothpick down there and break it off. Turn it over, use the other sharp end. Well, in theory, put it down in there, break it off. Throw the other piece away and just keep shoving them down in there until you can't put no more in there. And just kind of fill that hole up a little bit as much as possible. Take your drill bit back. Move all this out of the way. Put your chair frame back on there. And you want to turn your drill down a little bit, because you don't really want to strip these out. And you can see it works pretty good. It holds a lot better than it was anyway. And now your chair's fixed. It won't come off. For a while anyway. Thanks. Please like and subscribe.